So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to verify your Stake account. So first, you need to access or open a web browser, but in my preference, I'm going to use the Google, but you can always use your preferred web browser. So first, after accessing your web browser, just simply go to the stake.com and make sure to log in using your account. And once you're logged in, you will see this page and you are going to navigate on the leftmost navigation bar, which is a bunch of options will pop up, and then you are going to click the profile section, and then a drop down menu will see or will pop up, and then you are going to click the settings. And as you can see, here's the settings section, so you could click under the verify section for you to able to verify your account. So Stake will ask a few levels. Each levels have a information that will collect from you, and just click submit every information from each level you put in. And that's how you verify your account on stake.com.